Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Etsy keeps showing we just sent you a code and you can't log in or continue, it usually means Etsy is trying to verify your identity, but the verification code isn't arriving or isn't being accepted. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix the "we just sent you a code" issue in Etsy in 2026 quickly and safely. So first thing first, check where the code was sent. Okay, so Etsy may send the code via email, SMS text message, authentication app if enabled. So check carefully inbox, spam or junk folder, promotions tab, or SMS messages. So wait up to 2 or 5 minutes. Okay. Request a new code correctly. So this is another fix. If code doesn't arrive, wait 60 minutes, click resend code once, check messages again, avoid clicking repeatedly. Okay, so too many requests may pause delivery. Okay, you can also confirm email or phone number. So make sure Etsy is sending the code to the correct contact. So check login screen, like correct email displayed, correct phone number ending digits. Okay, so if incorrect, log out and restart, log in. Okay, you can also disable VPN or change network. So security systems may block verification. Before retrying, turn off VPN, switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and then after that retry login. So request a new code again. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.